Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Docker desktop on Windows 11 operating system. We will install the latest version. Okay, go to docker.com. Click on get started. Then click on this download for Windows. See, download has been started. See, the size is 591 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. Before that, we will see the prerequisites. Click on here how to install Docker. Then click on install Docker desktop. Then click on Windows. See here the system requirements. WSL version 1.1.3 or later, and Windows operating systems are 10 64-bit or 11 64-bit. Okay, you must have turn on this WSL feature on Windows. WSL2 on Windows. WSL means Windows subsystem for Linux. 64-bit processor, 4 GB RAM. Okay, and also enable hardware virtualization in BIOS. These must be matched before installing. See, download is completed. Now first verify this VSL version. To check VSL version, we must have enabled the VSL. So verify Windows, then turn on, turn Windows features on or off. Click on this application, scroll down, see here, I have already turned on WSL on my system. If it is not turned on, this will be unchecked. So it is checked means it is already turned on. In your case, if it is not turned on, just like this, select it, then click on OK. After click on OK, it will ask you to restart. So restart it, then open, after reboot, open the command prompt, then run WSL -- status. See, the required is 1.1.3. I have already latest one, that is 2. Okay, all prerequisites matched. Now go to downloads and click on this Docker desktop installer.exe. See, keep this as it is and click on OK. Installation is succeeded. Click on close. Now open Docker. Then click on Docker desktop. If you receive this window, you have to click on accept. Select the options, select learning or teaching, then click on continue. See, this is the Docker desktop console. Go to the command prompt, then run Docker Images. Now open command prompt again, run Docker Images. See, at present I don't have any images. See, if there are any containers, it will show here. If images, it will show here. If you want to add extensions, you have to click on. We have successfully installed Docker. Windows run services.msc. See here we have the Docker desktop service. Its startup type is manual. Double click on it and select automatically and click on apply. Click on OK. If you want to stop, right click and stop the service. Now start it by clicking on this one. If you want to restart, right click and click on restart, or click on this restart button, or click on this restart link. Okay, if you want to check the Docker version, give docker space version. See, Docker desktop, this is the desktop version, and this is the engine version, and this is the client information. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Docker on Windows 11 operating system. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Docker on Windows 11 operating system. Then we have seen how to stop Docker engine on Windows 11 operating system. For more Docker videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.